What do you see? Presents food? A man in a red suit? For millions of people around the world, this is the most wonderful time of the year. But what is Christmas really about? Hello and welcome to Easy Daily English. Today, we are talking about one of the biggest holidays on the planet, Christmas. We will learn about its meaning, its traditions, and most importantly, the English vocabulary you need to talk about it. Let's go. First, the simple question. What is Christmas? Christmas is a Christian holiday that celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. It happens every year on December 25th. But today, many people who are not religious also celebrate it. For them, it is a cultural and family holiday. It is a time for three big things: family and friends, being with the people you love, giving, sharing gifts and kindness, and hope and light, celebrating in the dark winter. So, whether it's a religious or a family holiday for you, the common words are celebration, togetherness, and joy. Now let's look at some Christmas traditions and learn the words. First up, decorations. This is a Christmas tree. People bring an evergreen tree into their home and decorate it. The beautiful balls you hang on the tree are called ornaments or baubles. Tinsel is the shiny, thin strips of paper. And the small, colorful lights are called fairy lights or Christmas lights. On the very top of the tree, people put a star or an angel. We also hang a Christmas wreath on the door. It's a circle of plants and a symbol of welcome. The night before Christmas Day, December 24th, is called Christmas Eve. It's often a time for a special family meal. Children sometimes hang a stocking by the fireplace for small gifts. Then, on the morning of December 25th, it's Christmas Day. People often exchange gifts or open presents. They say Merry Christmas to each other. Later, families have a large Christmas dinner. Common foods are roast turkey, ham, potatoes, and vegetables. A popular dessert is Christmas pudding. Now for the famous characters. The most famous is Santa Claus, also called Father Christmas. He is a kind, jolly old man with a white beard and a red suit. He lives at the North Pole with his elves, who are small, magical helpers. On Christmas Eve, he travels in a sleigh pulled by flying reindeer. The most famous reindeer is Rudolph, who has a red, shiny nose. Children believe that Santa comes down the chimney to leave presents under the tree if they have been good. Let's learn some useful phrases you can say at Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is the most common greeting. You can ask someone, "What are your plans for Christmas?" And you can answer, "I'm spending Christmas with my family." When you give a gift, you can say, "This is for you," or "I have a gift for you." And that is Christmas. A time of light, gifts, food, and family. If you enjoyed learning English through this event, you will love our Holidays and Events playlist. We have videos about New Year's, Halloween, and more. Click on the screen or check the description to watch them all. What is your favorite Christmas tradition? Tell me in the comments. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe us, and click the bell. Have a very Merry Christmas and happy learning. See you in the next video. Bye.